Circle, circle, round and round, rolling softly on the ground. Circle, circle, can you see? You look just like a bouncy pea. Square, square with four straight sides, standing tall and standing wide. Square, square, block so neat, a perfect shape with even feet. Triangle, triangle, pointy and shy. 1, 2, 3 sides, reaching high. Star, star, you shine so bright, twinkling gently in the night. Star, star with 5 fun tips, dancing through the sky in flips. Heart, heart, red and sweet, with 2 humps and a pointy beat. Heart, heart, full of love, floating like a cloud above. Oval, oval, long and wide, like an egg with curves that slide. Oval, oval, smooth and new, you're like a jelly bean or two. Red like apples bouncing high, jump up, reach for the sky. Blue like water, splish and splash, wiggle your toes and make a dash. Green like grass, soft and bright, spin around with all your might. Yellow like the shining sun, clap your hands and have some fun. Orange like a pumpkin round, hop like a bunny on the ground. Purple like the grape so sweet, tap your hands and stomp your feet. White like snowflakes falling light, twirl around like stars so bright. Black like night so calm and deep, close your eyes and pretend to sleep. Pink like flowers in the spring, wave your hands and start to swing. Brown like teddy, warm and snug, give yourself a great big hug. Colors, colors everywhere, dance and play them in the air. Sing along, it's fun to do, red, green, yellow, purple too. The lion roars so big and loud, he's the king so strong and proud. The elephant trumpets big and bold, with a trunk that never gets old. The monkey swings and chatters away, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, let's all play. The zebra trots with stripes so neat, Winnie, Winnie, hear his beat. The snake goes slithering long and thin, hiss, 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 with a sneaky grin. Giraffe stands tall, reaching high, munching leaves near the sky. The crocodile snaps with a big wide grin, grrr, he swims with scaly skin. The tiger growls in the jungle deep, grrr, he moves without a peep. The parrot squawks so loud and bright, squawk, squawk, colors in flight. The jungle's filled with sounds galore, come and listen, there's so much more. Bit apples are crunchy, red and sweet, they help keep you on your feet. Bananas are yellow, soft and long, they make you strong and sing a song. Come in purple, green, or red, a juicy snack before your bed.
Oranges give a vitamin C delight,
Keeping you healthy, feeling bright. Watermelons are big and cool, perfect for days by the pool.
strawberries are tiny are golden, soft and yummy, a tropical treat for every tummy.
So proud, she gives us milk so fresh and sweet, mooing happily on her feet. Ba, ba, ba goes the sheep, fluffy wool for us to keep, jumping high and running fast through the meadow green and vast. Oink, oink, says the pig, rolling in the mud so big, snorting, playing, having fun, basking in the golden sun. Cluck, cluck goes the hen, laying eggs again and again, pecking grains and flapping wings. Listen to the song she sings. Neigh, neigh, says the horse, galloping fast on the course, strong and steady, tall and bright, running free from day to night. Cheep, cheep, sings the chick, hopping round so small and quick, fluffy feathers, tiny feet, a chirping tune so soft and sweet.